Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to focus on a very practical type of noun, countable nouns. Countable nouns are essential because they help us talk about things we can count, making our sentences precise and easy to understand. So, what is a countable noun? A countable noun is a noun that can be counted as 1, 2, 3, and so on. Countable nouns have both singular and plural forms, which is important to remember when forming sentences. Let's look at some examples. For objects, we have book and books, chair and chairs, pen and pens. For people, we have boy and boys, or teacher and teachers. And for animals, cat and cats, or dog and dogs. For instance, you could say in the singular, I have 1 apple. Or in the plural, I have 3 apples. It's that simple. So why do we use countable nouns? We use them whenever we want to talk about individual items or quantities. Notice how they allow us to use numbers and articles. We use a or an for singular nouns, like a cat or an orange. And we use words like some, many, or few for plural nouns, such as some cats, many books, or few chairs. Using these words helps us be specific about how many things we're talking about. Here's a quick tip to help you use them correctly. Singular countable nouns need a singular verb. For example, the book is on the table. Plural countable nouns need a plural verb, like the books are on the table. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in your grammar. Just remember, countable nouns can always be counted one by one, unlike uncountable nouns, which we'll cover in a future lesson. All right, let's summarize what we've learned. Countable nouns are nouns you can count. They have both singular and plural forms. And you can use numbers and articles with them, like a, an, some, many, and few. Now it's your turn to practice. Try identifying the countable nouns around you, your books, pens, chairs, or even your pets. Count them, make sentences, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. In the next lesson, we'll explore uncountable nouns, which are a little different but just as important. Thanks for watching, and see you then!